Good morning, Achieve. Happy Thursday. Today is Thursday, March 18th. And everybody, please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, have a seat. So we're going to continue talking about empathy and relationship skills. And I just want to cover one of the definitions of empathy with you today. And that is identifying the thoughts and feelings that someone else might be experiencing in a given situation. If you're able to do that, like kind of put yourself in the other person's shoes, then you're going to have a lot better understanding of how that person's feeling, what they're going through, and you're going to be able to be a lot better friend to them when you can put yourself in their shoes that way. So that's a really important skill. Empathy is different from sympathy. Sympathy is where you feel sorry for somebody, but empathy is where you actually understand how they feel, either because you've been through that thing before or just because you're able to put yourself in their shoes and just really key into how that person might be feeling. So I have a little video that I'm going to show you guys, and it is a bunch of teenagers who are talking about empathy, and they say a lot of pretty interesting things. And so what I'd like you guys to do is really pay attention to what the teens say. And if there's one that really just kind of stands out to you or hits home to you, then remember that one. Maybe even write it down if you want to. And that's what I want you to talk about at the end. It's just which of these different comments that the teens make really hit home with you. It's called Empathy Can Change the World.
That face that is usually covered by her phone has finally made an appearance.
Empathy is a choice, an opportunity to put yourself in someone else's situation, to view the world through the lens of someone else's circumstances.
Empathy is the ability to think about what someone else is going through, imagining yourself in that place. Empathy is seeing with the eyes of another, listening with the ears of another, and feeling with the heart of another.
Empathy is being there for people who are your closest friends or someone you don't even know.
Empathy takes work, it takes practice. Empathy requires each one of us to stop thinking only of ourselves and to start thinking of others.
In her world, everybody has need for empathy, whether it is big or small.
Every day, in every school, students are made fun of, outcasted, looked down upon, and made to feel worthless.
Life can be lonely at times. It's important to feel like someone has your back.
We judge people when we do not understand them.
People say sticks and stones may break your bones, but words will not hurt you, as if that were true at all.
Empathy towards others encourages hope, encourages love, and encourages tolerance.
Respect people's feelings. Even if it doesn't mean anything to you, it can mean everything to them. Empathy shows the people that are hurting that someone cares and that they are not alone.
Instead of putting others in their place, put yourself in their place.
No prescription works like empathy can.
We must step out of our comfort zone and be the reason someone smiles today.
Empathy is like a wildfire. A simple spark can ignite a chain reaction of compassion.
Empathy can change the world, starting with just one person, and that one person could be you.
All right. So what stood out to you guys and why? Have a great day, Achieve.